how to fix fitness app on your iPhone. So if your fitness app is not working as expected, here are some steps that you can take to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First step is that you have to check for update. Ensure your phone is running to the latest version of your iOS. Navigate to your home screen, go for your setting. Under your setting, you have to scroll down and tap on your general option. Under your general option, you have to go for the software update to check the update here. If there is any update available, then you have to download the latest version of the software update on your iOS. Also, you can navigate to your Apple Store and search for the fitness app on the search bar. After searching for the fitness app here you can see the fitness app. If there is any update available, then you have to download the latest version here. Also, a simple start can often solve the issues. Turn off your iPhone and wait for a few seconds and you can turn it back. Also, you can check your fitness app setting. Navigate to your setting here. Once you are on your setting, just go back and scroll down to find your privacy here. Under your privacy and security, you have to just go for the motion and fitness. So you have to find the motion and fitness. Here you can find your motion and fitness and make sure the health is enabled. So health is enabled under the privacy as well. So you have to enable these two options here on your motion and fitness. Also you have to check your Bluetooth connection. If you are using your Apple app, if you are using the Apple Watch to track workout, ensure that your iPhone and Apple Watch are perfectly connected through your Wi-Fi. And here you have to open up your Bluetooth on your iPhone and you have to make sure that your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone too. Also, you can uninstall the fitness app if nothing works, and you can install it from your Apple Store on your iPhone. That's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.